History of scheduling. We're going on a tour through the history of scheduling. It is a fascinating evolution that has influenced project management as we know it. Let us have a look at the incredible journey. From ancient times to present approaches. Part 1. Ancient foundations. From the earliest days of recorded history, gigantic civic undertakings arose. Ranging from Roman waterworks to the awe-inspiring Egyptian pyramids and the massive Great Wall of China. These projects were overseen by royal architects, priests, or religious figures of society, and budget and schedule were frequently non-issues. Slave labor and low-cost manual work were the norm, and time was less of an issue. Part 2. The rise of structured management. The Industrial Revolution was a watershed moment. Henry Gantt, an American engineer, invented the bar chart, or often referred to as Gantt chart for manufacturing output control in 1917. However, Gantt chart lacked interdependency information. Part 3. The birth of the critical path method (CPM). During 1956–1957, the critical path method (CPM) evolved the science of scheduling. The arrow diagramming method (ADM), the forerunner to CPM, was invented by James Kelly and Morgan Walker. Part 4. CPM's unexpected beginnings. Surprisingly, CPM was never intended for building. In 1956, DuPont used its huge UNIVAC 1 computer to address planning, estimating, and scheduling issues. Morgan Walker and John Mauchly led a team that adapted linear programming techniques for this purpose, resulting in Admiral. This method saved DuPont 25% on plant shutdowns. Part 5. PERT introduction. Around the same period, the United States Navy and Booz Allen Hamilton developed the Program Evaluation Review method PERT. PERT added uncertainty consideration by employing optimistic, pessimistic, and most likely time estimations. PERT also introduced the concept of the critical route. Part 6. Challenges and technological advances. PERT and CPM encountered issues in 1959 due to big mainframe size, expensive expense, and slow computation. The emergence of PC-based scheduling solutions in the 1980s made planning accessible to a wider audience. The precedence diagramming method (PDM) developed by John Fondal affected scheduling systems. Part 7. The Influence of Primavera. Dick Ferris, Joel Koppelman, and Les Seskin established Primavera in 1983. With ADM and PDM features, Primavera's platform could handle up to 10,000 activities. SureTrack evolved from MicroTrack, dominating low to mid-range markets. Conclusion. The history of scheduling has been a spectacular voyage of invention. From ancient times to contemporary approaches, the area is evolving, and scheduling tools help us manage projects efficiently, while adhering to schedule and budget limits.